Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and I'm Jenny, the Crazy Country Couponer. And if you've never been here before, welcome. We're going to review the Dollar General ad for the week because it is so good. It deserved a video all to itself. Yeah. And if you're not one of my crazy friends yet, well, we're going to put you first today, and we're going to get you hooked up. Look below and hit that subscription button and that notification bell, and let's get you subscribed. And that way you will never miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, awesome information, hanging out with some really good folks. Yep. And helping other good folks, because that's what we do here. We help each other. So if you like that kind of stuff, not to mention saving lots of money, hit the subscription button and do it now. That way you don't forget. Alright, everybody come on in. The ad is so good this week. It's been a while since I've done an ad video because, it's just been hit and miss. But this ad is really good. So let's hop in. First off, we got 3 for $4 on the A&W root beer, 2 liters, okay? And I'm not sure, but I think there's a digital coupon. I will go and check. If there is, I'll post it here. Next up, we got the 3 for $15 and a $2 coupon. And that $2 coupon works with the Mountain Dew, Pepsi, and Coke, and Sprite products, okay? So a big variety right there, and just in time, okay? Just in time. Have you ever thought about not giving out candy for Halloween? No, really. If some children don't get the opportunity to have soda on a regular basis. So maybe a Coke Zero. I'm not sure what the Pepsi version is. A Sprite Zero. Sprite Zero would be the best choice if you're giving it away to children. It would be a really good way to give something different for Halloween. It might not be good for them, but it's not as bad as candy. Just depending on your thought process. But it is just in time for the Halloween parties. It's in time for the next holiday coming up, because this stuff stores pretty easy and slides right underneath the bed. And it's at a stock up price. Now next we got the 3 for $11 on the bottles. We do have a $1 coupon for that. That's 3 for $10. And anytime we have this kind of stuff, I always suggest to do it in a Saturday scenario, and that way you'll save that extra money. And we still have all those urns on the Edie ice cream. It is on sale for $4. So again, it might be a great way to do a little something different for your Halloween parties. Throw some ice cream in the punch and call it muddy water. No, for real, guys. For real. Make you up a Yahoo punch, which basically is to make Yahoo, pretty much it's the Nestle's Quick and water, and it will taste like Yahoo. But you mix Nestle Quick and water together and throw in some Rocky Road ice cream and ice right before you serve it. There's so many things you can call that. Muddy water, yeah, a lot of things. And kids, well, if you're doing it for kids, they're going to love it. Next up, of course, we have the buy two. We got the buy two, get one free on the candy. It's $5.50 a piece. And you've got 2 different coupons that will work with this. One is $2 off of $10 purchase. Oh, no, sorry. This is Hershey's. You have got a $3 off that will work on this, okay? $3 off on a $6 purchase will work on this. So you would be getting, for $10, $11, you'd be paying like $8 for 3 bags. Or close. Alright, next, we've got the save $2 on the General Mills products, okay? The Lucky, or the General Mills cereals are on sale 2 for $8. You've got a $1 coupon right there. That's the family size, I do believe, are the big ones. Okay? So that's going to give you $3 off. You'll need another $2 item. Your Betty Crocker cake mixes, they are also on sale, I believe. You have coupons for your Old El Paso. You have coupons for your Nature Valley, your Tortinos. You have earns on your Pillsbury. You've got coupons on your Progresso and your Chex Mix. Okay, and all those you can use in conjunction with that $2 off. So if you need this stuff, you can do this deal during the week and still save plenty of money. Next, we got $1.50 off of Percale. If you haven't tried Percale, you want to use this to try it this week because we've got the 5 off is back. So you want to use this to help you try out some Percale if you've not tried it. We also have the BOGO buy one free Ajax and Palmolive. Now this usually glitches, and it glitches at the checkout. The only thing you have to do is put the Ajax up first, because the Ajax costs more. And the amount for the Ajax will come off instead of the amount for the Palmolive. So buy one Ajax, one Palmolive, put the Ajax up first. There you go. Now, we've got a 5 off of 20 gain. Yes. So, if you're a gain user, we got you covered. You're going to get gain wasted. And, I mean, if you're a couponer, you're probably not brand specific anyway. But most of us like the gain because it gives us super good deals. And, I mean, it cleans good. And it smells good. Doesn't clean as good as Percale, but it still does a good job. But you can also get other things. We've got Febreze coupons. So, the Febreze small space is $3.25. You got a $2.25 coupon. Yeah, you got the plug-ins, and you're going to get these in Gain Scent. You got a $2 off a $7.50 bottle of Gain. And all we've got to spend is $20. And just with these 3 Gain items right here, we're at $16.50. And getting $6.75 off just in regular coupons. So let's go find another $3 and change Gain scented item and save an additional $5. Oh, next up, look at this, guys. Digital coupons. I've not seen this in my digital coupons. I'll have to look again. Save $5 on your next purchase when you buy any one gift card brands shown here. Holy moly. I mean, McDonald's, guys. Buy your kids McDonald's gift cards for Christmas. And you're going to get a $5 off on your next purchase. This is a really good deal. You got Pantera, you got IHOP, you got DoorDash, Uber, Fanatics, PlayStation, and Sephora. And I can't tell what the other place, Route 21. And then there's something else, and I can't tell what that is. But, there you go, guys. Now, on that General Mills deal, with that extra $2 off, not only do we can use additional coupons, we've got sales going on. So we're already going to save. Like these Nature Valley. If you do the Nature Valley, they're on sale 2 for $6. Alright? They've gone up to their, I think they're like $4 now. So 2 for $6 is a really good deal. And you got $1 off, so now they're 2 for $5. We have an instant savings on Hostess, guys. Multi-packs. And it's assorted flavors, not just the ding-dongs. So when you buy 2, you're going to instantly save $1. So if you do this, include it in a Saturday scenario. Best way to slide some of that stuff in. Progresso soups are on sale 2 for $4. You've got coupons and earns for the Progresso soups. We've also got some Progresso soups on the clearance sale, okay? So, when you're doing your clearance shopping on the 29th to the October 5th, I think it is, right off the top of my head, I have to look to make sure. Check those food items. Next, we've got this $2 Banquet Marie Calendar and Bird's Eye coupon, $2 off of 10. Now, this coupon is glitching. I have used it, and it is still on my account. So, and a lot of these items are on sale, so you get more bang for your buck. And one of our favorite deals is back. Instantly save $2 when you spend $6 on Kraft Jello products. So it's time to stock up on that cheesecake. Now your fall harvest is already going. Buy one, get one 50% off. But you've got 40% off of lamps also, and on their little furniture deals. And you've got buy one, get one free on the throws. And buy one, get one half off on the rugs. 40% off on your clocks. And then again, like I said, we've got the Save 5 when you spend $15 on Purex, all for sale or Snuggle products. That has become my all-time favorite deal. Next to the Diet Coke one, of course. Now, the Cottonelle's got something new going on. Buy any 2 Cottonelle bath tissue, 4 mega rolls, regular $5.50 a piece, and you're going to save $2.50. So this is a really good toilet paper deal, guys. It would appear our instant savings on the 2 Suave products is still going on. So we still have instant savings on the Suave. And that's awesome because it should roll into that clearance sale. Yes. We have a Save 5 on Shea Moisture products. And we have a instant savings of 50 cents on Tresemme, Vaseline, and yes, honey. Now we got an instant savings on these Curls Defined. There's a lot of this on the clearance aisle, guys. Here's a deal worth looking at. Save an additional $5 when you buy 2 Poise or Depends. And if you look over here to the size, it says regular $6.50 to $24.75. Huh. So we might need to go check out that Poise deal because I know the underwear is not $6.50. And if it's $6.50, that's $12, and you're going to be saving $5 right off the bat. That's a good deal if you use those products. And if you happen to be picking up t-shirts or socks. If you happen to be picking up socks and they're Hanes, you're going to instantly save $2. And you got to spend $12, which that's like 1 pack of socks these days. So there you go, guys. That is our ad review. We've got some great sales to work with. And I've given you a couple of good ideas to start with. So stay tuned. We'll have some daily deals coming up and some scenarios and glitch updates. Because I know you want to know. And you're my crazy friend, so I'm going to tell you. Blessings.